Yeah? Hi! God, that's such a... Wait. No! Redeems are broken! Okay, never mind. Everybody, nobody use redeems. They're broken. Your points are gonna go to waste. Nice. I've never actually had it before that chat works and redeems don't work. I'm gonna fix that. That's gonna be the first thing I do. But hi! Welcome! One second, before I even do any of this. See, I'd been worried about this if this was a planned stream, but who cares? I guess now it's just a Unity stream. Oh god. I'm sorry. Okay, never mind. I did see serious hydration and stretch redeems, and I did stretch. Oh, check posture. And now I'm gonna hydrate. Queen of Junk. Sorry. Speaking of Queen of Junk. Check out the way I'm holding that bottle. Oh my god. When I opened up that bottle of Yan juice, it kind of sprayed on my hand a bit. Okay, hold on a sec, I need to put this you over here so I can actually look at you, and Unity can be over there. Hi! I'm sorry, hello everybody! Let me just quickly read the chat that I missed. I'm sorry, redeems are broken right now. One second. Don't use redeems. They're broken. You'll be wasting your points. And I can pin that. Okay, give me one second. Yan juice? Yeah, here. I got, the hydration, Stewie used the hydration redeem at the beginning. Look, must consume. Enjoy your foods, Stewie. Alexia and Stewie. And Chaos. Cat butt. Yes, cut. Slyleaf. Hello. Welcome. It's Christmas? Aw. I mean, there was like snow in the starting soon screen, but very kind of you to say. Doc, hello, welcome. Belgian Wolf, hi. Hi again. Am I missing anybody? I want to promote. One second. This. Oh, 1 second. One moment. I have to make RoboUke read out this bot message. 1 second. Let me give them the attention they want, just for, you know, it's like the last words they'll ever be able to say on my channel, so I might as well make it worth it for them, right? 1 second. Throws cheese. There you go. How's that? But yeah, hello. I wasn't planning this stream. I'm sorry. I just wanted to try to do something. Wait a sec. Oh, my bell is making noise. Okay. God damn it, I'm already being derailed by a bot. I swear to God. You know what the sad thing is? The creator of the bot is never gonna see this. Oh yeah, right, cheese redeems will work. Where's your cheese? It's broken right now, I'm sorry. Enlin, why are you using a redeem? I've pinned a thing saying they're broken, I'm about to fix it. But I've already been distracted by a bot message. And since it's a bot, I wanted to take this opportunity to make RoboUke read the message. Okay, 1 second. Let me just totally copy and paste this message and not alter it at all. 1 second. Oh my god, they're literally saying chatbots in the message. Holy crap, they legitimately think people want chatbots. Oh my god! One second. Okay, there you go. Let me just click this button. Synthesis. Robo-Uke. Alright, let's read out this message. It's been so long since it was there that it's not even visible in the chat on my screen anymore, but whatever. I'll pretend that you can still see the text so you can cross-reference it to the original. Mocha, Freb, hi! Alright, let's read out this spam bot's message in a totally non-modified way. Is it doing anything? What the fuck? Why is it not reading? Hold on a second. Oh, there it goes. That was weird. Oh yeah, right.
Got time for that.
Yeah, apparently we didn't have time for that. Okay, there we go. Hi. Wait, this is gonna be too loud over the music. All right. Hi. I want to offer promotion of your channel. Viewers, followers, views, cheese. The price is lower than any competitor. The quality of my bots are guaranteed to pronounce things correctly. Just kidding. Incredibly cheesy and weird. Nothing is in your hands. Robo-Uke will do whatever the hell she wants. Go to weirdcatbot.com up. Good enough. It still doesn't pronounce weird correctly. It always says wed. No, not wet. Weird. It's weird. I swear to God. Alright, anyway, let me just spam that button now. Alright. I mean, thanks for the entertainment, but... Wait, why won't it go away? Is it banned? Is it gone? Doesn't disappear on mine. Is it gone? I don't even know if the message is gone. Who fucking cares at this point? Okay, it's gone. Yes, it's finally gone. Yeah, Twitch seems to be being a bit slow. But hello everybody, I'm sorry for this very strange beginning. Firstly, I got distracted by a bot, and then secondly, Redeems decided to not work. Anyway, so right now I'm actually about to just fix that very quickly. Before Dandy Twitch gets angry that I'm not actually streaming the thing that I say I'm streaming. Well, I'm actually doing software and dev stuff. But yeah, hello! Hi Mantis, hi Exia, hi Deepakuki and Enlin, and Freb! Might have done the redeem before reading the pin, lol. Oh, well. And Kanami as well, welcome, welcome! Mantis, Mock Attack, did I miss anybody? I probably did. Oh my god, I got the message that they're banned twice. Or 3 times actually in the chat, that's quite funny. Miguel as well, hi, and Blep as well. Welcome, welcome. Okay, let me just very quickly fix this. Stop wasting your points, people, they're not working. Let me fix it first, alright? One moment. Twitch lib, here we are. It's probably just the cookie thing's expired. Well, not the cookie, the OAuth thing. The modern cookie. Code Senpai, hello, welcome. I swear I will be streaming what the title of the stream says. In just one moment. I've ironically realized that my own Twitch thingy is overlay thing's not working. No definition found for access token. What are you actually talking about? Oh, it's still loading. I'm being impatient again. Come on. Oh my god, I'm so impatient. Okay, there it is. Right, finally. Now I just do this, and then as if by magic, we get this. Boop. We throw this into... Oh my god, you know what? I think it might not even be a problem. I think it might actually just be the case that I left something disabled. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, never mind. For a moment I thought that it was because I recompiled my Unity thing without the Twitch lib stuff enabled. But no, that shouldn't be it. Let me just double check they're working now. On the other thing. The uncompiled version. Hi Nova. How's your day going? Oh, right, I forgot that I hard-coded to say that at the beginning. Whoops. That was left over from the end of the previous stream. Okay, it is working. Good. So now I just need to recompile it. And we'll be good to go. Let me just disable it. Saying, hi Nova, how's your day going every single time. No, it's invisible right now. The reason I've got it invisible is because I was doing stuff with OAuth and I didn't want that to be seen by people. Although right now, it's actually safe to fly on over. I'll just do that, and we'll hide the fact that it says C++ because that's not what I'm streaming. That'll be tomorrow though, if all goes well. And I'll just disable this. Oh, this is also loading in the wrong window though. There we are. We're not going to say hi Nova, how's your day going? Go away. And we'll just recompile this. The C++ tag on what the I'm happy what? Oh wait, did I leave the tag in the... Oh I did, C++ let me type plus. I still have that tag. Yeah, because Twitch when they use the plus sign as part of your... as a tag. And the tag C by itself is too short. So like what can I do apart from type C++? Okay, let's just build this. I have to disappear for one moment. I'm gonna disappear seamlessly, you ready? Zip, boop. There we go. I'm no longer running. I'm just gonna compile myself. This is totally not gonna take... Oh my god, this is the first compilation in Unity since I've started on my computer as well. This is probably gonna take forever. Oh god. Okay, so while it's compiling, I should probably tell you what I'm gonna be doing. I was gonna be playing Clash of Code, which is the multiplayer mode on this website called... Oh, it's done. That's not actually what it's called. 1 second. I'll be back. Are we back? We're back! Alright, I'm back! There you go, you should be able to do things now. I'm gonna unpin my please don't thingy. Because it shouldn't be true anymore. Hey, it works now.
Cheese.
Okay.
Formaggio.
Yep, it works. It definitely works now.
Cheese time. Cheese time.
It works. It works. Thank you everybody for testing it, but it works.
Käse.
We know that it works. You don't have to put cheese anymore. Okay, hold on.
Cheese.
By the way, there are 3 new cheese sounds.
Cheese.
2 from Vixie Buns, who's occasionally in here, although they're a friend of mine from before I ever started streaming.
Lactose-filled dairy product.
And 1 from Malware Guy. We have more cheeses. Oh my god, I'm pressing the wrong flipping keyboard shortcut. Hold on. I just need to change my logo. No! Why? Why am I being muted? Okay, there we are. Correct logo on the screen now. Okay, we can begin. I'm back. Hi. The stream can begin now. 17 minutes in. Hey, that's not too long. Also, one moment, I have to do something very important. For Freb, I have to... There you go. That's your onion, Freb. Was there any other one that I missed? No, I don't think so. There's a bunch that didn't come through, but we'll just pretend that I was never sprayed. No one ever put a spray redeem in when it was... Oh. God damn it, chaos. Well, there you go. I did get sprayed in the end. All's well that ends well, question mark? Dara, hello, hi! Imagine if there is no limit to cheese actives. We could plan a distributed cheese attack. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. This might get a little, just a little bit slower, but it's always a little bit slower, let's be honest. Let's be honest. The cat is back from the Shadow Realm. I am. Okay. I think I'm ready. You wasted all your points. Mantis, why would you do that?
I can't fix the redeems.
It did. Still don't have the new TTS voice actually being used yet. About coding. Recently I had to do a test about Arduino code and I scored badly. I'm reading your comment now, finally, Belgian Wolf, sorry. The thing I had to code for was a sort of wind direction indicator with 8 LEDs. That sounds neat. And the LED which indicated the wind direction had to illuminate 100%. And if it was in between, 50%, and finally in certain conditions, 25%. That sounds like an absolutely horrible user interface. I hope that the person who told you to do that realizes that this would be an actual horrible product if you were to make this in real life, and you expect your, users to be able to differentiate between 50% and 25% and 100% brightness. when the LEDs are not actually changing brightness, and it's probably going to be used outside because it's the wind direction indicator in sunlight, so you probably wouldn't be able to see the LED when it's on 25%. My head. Ouch. Thank you very much, though, Chaos. Thank you very much, Neil, as well. Oh my god. Thank you both. How am I feeling this evening? I am not bad, thank you. Blur. No clue what the pin message means. Anyway, let me spend some channel points. Okay. I think I can catch up now. Alright. You have some awesome new things I haven't seen. Oh, do I? Yeah, well, I had to make it. And since I still have to learn about arrays and stuff. Okay, well, fair enough. Like, as a teaching thing, it's fine. But I'm sorry. I just felt defensive towards you because the teacher said that you said that the teacher graded you badly. So I wanted to gang up against the teacher. I'm sorry. But, I mean, whatever. I hope you at least had fun and that you can learn stuff. I don't know. Alright, let me just quickly explain. So on this stream I'm going to be playing Clash of Code, which is the multiplayer mode of this site called Codingame. Or COD in game. Or what are the other things? There were some other really weird ways to pronounce it. COD in game. Codingame. Okay, COD in game. Oh yeah, COD in game. Yeah, in game COD, exactly. That one works as well. Yeah, and the
Puree.
wait,
Cheese.
what? I thought it was gonna be a one-off cheese. Why the
Cheese.
thing of cheese, array of cheese? And what's the one? Barrage.
Cheese.
Stop.
Cheese.
Okay, alright, let me just explain it. Okay,
You know.
look. Meow. There you go. There's a nyan for you, new Joker. I didn't pause the music for you. You don't deserve it because you've been throwing cheese at me. I'm joking. I'm sorry. The cheese pop-up uses my old username. Oh shit! Sorry, I need to fix that. This is the problem when everybody is changing their username every week. That's a slight exaggeration, but change name for Freb. Fix it. I is uppercase, isn't it? Freb. Okay, I'll change that later. It wouldn't take effect until I restart anyway. So. Okay. And you throw cheese at me a lot, right? And you only just noticed? Okay, it can't be too bad. Those shadows are very squarish. They are maximum resolution that I can do on Unity for directional lights. It's sad. That's literally the highest you can choose. It's because they're directional. Spotlights would be better, but I don't know. Directional uses a different system for casting shadows and... Refactor in Freb. Look. Good luck, Edlin. Okay, so what this is a coding game. I know. Can you believe it? Okay, so basically, you start the game. It gives you one of 3 different types of challenge, and either you need to write code that produces, the right kind of output the quickest, or you need to do it in as short amount of code as possible, and you have like a 15-minute time limit. You always have a 15-minute time limit. And the third possible challenge is what's it called again? Reverse. Is it called reverse? Basically, you have to sort of reverse engineer or work out what the code should be doing based on a sequence of pairs of input and output. You look at it and you see, okay, given this input, my program should do this output. And you just try and work out what it is that the code is even doing, and then write code that does it. My kitty is trying to steal my pierogies? Pierogies? What are they? Okay, so I'm just gonna go and join a clash. Well, it's about to begin. Okay, maybe I'll... Okay, that didn't really give any time, did it? Let's join the next one. Wait, what? Why is it starting in 2 seconds? What the... Stop. Is it with randoms? Well, it was going to be, but it's like immediately starting for some reason the second I click on join a clash. That's strange. So we could do is start a private clash, but I don't know if there are enough people here to who might want to try it, but I mean, we can try. I'll see if anyone's here who wants to. I'll throw the link into the chat. If anybody would like to join, we should set it with how many players are online, you know. Yeah, that'd be great. Vareniki? 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 My internet's so slow because I'm streaming. It always is. Traditional Ukrainian potato. Vareniki. Half moon shaped stuffed dumplings. Interesting. Sounds kind of nice. Looks fun, but I can't because my knowledge of coding isn't very great. Yeah, no worries. I'll just do a public one for now. Ignore that message of mine. I'm gonna delete it. Oh wait, you're not allowed to delete your own message. Even as a broadcaster. Okay, so... There we go. So I'm currently just on a public place, so I'll just throw it in, I guess. There you go. In case anybody would like to join. But, yeah. Ah, well there's only one slot left, so... If there's anybody who would like to join, I'll, you know... I'll start a private one later. But for now, I'll just do public ones. Let's have a look. Let's see what we've got. Excuse me. Streamy! Thank you very much for the hydration! You are given a single string. You need to convert each character to its ASCII value. Okay, 1 second. Add the odd numbers together. Thank you for the pats. Posture check as well. Thank you. And for the pats. I did do your first one as well, by the way. 1 second. Oh, I'm back. Okay, a string word of length n, whose odd characters need to be summed. Okay, let me just change this music 1 second. Calm down. Can I zoom? Oh yeah, right, sorry, yeah. Sorry, forgot about that. Is that okay? Is that better? Let's see what we've got. You are given a single... Can I hide this thing? It'd be nice if I could hide it. Alright, so the sum of odd characters in word. Constraints 0. So we're gonna make sure that the word is between 0 and 100. No, more than 0, less than 100. This notation confuses me so much. 0 is less than n, which is less than or equal to 100. So if 0 is less than n, that means n must be larger than or equal to 0. Oh, okay. So n is a minimum of 0. And n is less than or equal to 100. Alright, seems easy enough. Let's just do this in a C. If n is less than 0, then that means it can be... No, if 0 is less than n, then that means that n... Oh, n has to be larger than? Oh, okay. So larger than 0. Why can't they just do this? Why can't they just write n larger than 0, less than or equal to 100? This is super fucking bright, sorry. Couldn't read anything. I don't know why they can't do that. Anyway. Alright, 2, so I print F an answer. Everyone's probably got it already. I've been chatting the entire time. Math people compress everything, I know, right? Let's just name everything A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Alright, let's see what we've got. So this is fastest mode. Alright, well, I don't think I'm going to be in the top 10. Even though there are only 8 people. Okay, so we're going to go through each letter. It gets stored in a char array. Alright, so 4. So we're going to have an index. 8 people participate. UK gets 11th. Sounds about right! Okay. So it's going to start off at 0. Well, this is going to keep on going up, actually. Isn't it just going to be while... You know, let's say... Starts at 0. While... the character... at this particular index... is not equal to 0. In other words, we haven't reached the end of the string, right? Because it's a null terminated string. I hope. Oh, we also want a sum. We might as well make that an int as well. Might as well make this a uint, in fact. How do you do this again? Can you just do sum equals 0? Apparently you can. And you need to add together only the odd characters. Stewie, no, not the math notation. Okay, so if well, in that case I might as well just, you know what? I'm gonna do this, and this is gonna be hang on a second. So I'm trying to actually write code that I'd prefer to actually have rather than fast code, which is terrible. Anyway, let's just do current char is equal to word at that index. While this is not equal to 0, we continue. And if current character, wait, is this not defined? It's undeclared. Alright, we'll have to declare it outside. It's a bit annoying. If the current character modulo 2, in other words, you divide it by 2, and look at the remainder, and if it's 0, then it's even. So we want, if it's not equal to 0, then sum plus equals that. And at the very end, we print the sum, right? %d. And then pass in sum. Boop. Wait, what? Oh. Boop. Process is timed out. Oh shit, I never incremented ins. Nice. I'm glad they have a check to make sure that that happens. Alright. Should be okay. Nice. I can multiply by it? Nice, I'm at the very end. Perfect. Who cares? Might as well show it. Hey, wait. I wasn't at the very end. Marketech! You got in! Nice! I never even noticed you in there. At the beginning when we were like jumping in. Hi! Python 3, Python 3, Python 3. For E in Word, of course, you just do that for that and that. That's a single character, right? If it's ASCII, is blah 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 blah, yeah. Basically the same. I like the way it's a car rather than a char. So when index is even, it adds 0, and when it's odd, it adds char. Sum plus equals char times index %2? What? No, it's not the odd numbered indices that get added, it's if the ASCII value is odd. At least that's how I understood it, and apparently my code passed the test, so... Oh wow, look at this! Look at this fancy-ass one-liner that's actually split across 5 lines, 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. I swear I can count! Nice, Makate. Read line, dot split, dot map. Dot filter! Wow, what a neat method! What the hell? I didn't know JavaScript could do something like that. Damn. Bro, I'm failing a capture and I can't pass being a human. I'm sorry, Skyleaf. Wait, ass? Who said ass? Did someone say ass? Wait, where's the ass? Where's my ass? Did I? When did I say ass? Did I say cars? I was struggling to understand the task. Ah, no worries. Could really have made this smaller, couldn't I? Thank God it wasn't there. Thank God it wasn't Code Golf. This looks incredibly stressful. It's fine. I just don't... I feel like by talking at the beginning, I put myself into the headspace that I'm not going to be first. Then I just try and make the task work, you know? That's my excuse anyway. But hey Fred, come and be stressed with us, if you want. I'm joking, I'm sorry. Hope you're doing alright, Fred. Hope everyone's alright. It's I still don't need other people judging my code. Look, you don't have to click the share code button. You don't have to click it if you don't want to. In fact, I often forget. This person hasn't shared theirs.
Cheese.
No, no,
Shut
no.
up.
Now you can actually hit me with your cheese, Mantis. God damn it. I hope you're alright. I'm alright. I'm kind of alright. My head's hurting a little bit. I wanted to try to play this in a state where I wasn't, you know. I wanted to try to play this in a state where... Why are these like boom 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 sounds like so horribly clicky? I wanted to try and play in a state where my brain wasn't already tired from coding. The last time I tried, it was my brain was already very much worn out and it was not a fun experience. Ah, zombie! Hi! The website shows live streamers. Yeah. If you include the word coding a me in your title, you must have the average of the ASCII values. That's such an unnecessary... It's such an unnecessary function, but sure, I'll do it. Alright, it wants it in floating point. Alright, fine. Did I have time to go and play again? Well, I'm not in this time. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go to private one soon, don't worry. I'm sorry. This one filled up really quickly, I'm sorry. Okay, let's try this. So 4... Actually, you know what? Screw it, I'll do it. I wish I'd copied my code from the previous clash. God damn it. And char equals 0. Let's call it index equals 0. Let's make it a double so it can be accurate. This is going to be the sum. And I'm also going to have a count. And count, which is 0 from the beginning. We're gonna do all this. Let's look at the current char as well. Because it's gonna be a char. Okay, char. First thing we're gonna do is set char to s at that index. We're gonna increment the count. We're gonna... Oh, you know what? We might as well just make the index be the count. Because that's just gonna go up by 1 until it reaches the end. While current char is not equal to 0. And then the answer is just gonna be in decimal form. No wait. Is that right? Percent F? Would you do percent F for a float? Or is it just D still? Percent F? I don't know. Can't remember. We'll find out in a moment. It's just gonna be a sum divided by index as a double. Wait, really? Does it want it to be done that way? Because the other way would work. Let's see anyway. Found 0. Oh right, we probably should add to the sum, huh? Printed out 73.5, but expected 98. Interesting. The average of all the ASCII values in the given string. Oh, wait. Shit. Right. 1 second. Alright, no worries, friend. Bye. Thank you very much for stopping by. Well, I should do this at the very beginning because we don't want this to happen if it's not 0 to begin with. Which means I'll just have to do this in the first place. You do that.
Do it!
I'm doing it!
Just do it!
Oh, it wants it rounded to a single decimal place. Okay. What the fuck is the notation for that? Hold on a second. A second. Thank you very much for the follow! Alisana! Welcome. Oh, 0.2. Oh, it is 0.2, so 0.1 F for 1, right? Hey, 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 hey. Alright. 5th place again. Hi, Alisana. Familiar folks here? Hell yeah. The cool people are here. Not me, just, you know, the other people. Welcome though. Soda as well, hi! Oh my god, that little tail. That's adorable. Damn. I like that. Cat! Whoa! Welcome! Hi! Forgot to click that button. How are you doing? Hope you had fun. I'm sorry, Cat. I'm sorry I wasn't able to stay. I had the sudden urge to play this when my brain wasn't in a fully tired state, and then I saw you streaming afterwards, and I was like, oh, I could have been with the hype. I could have been in the hype Formula 1 racing group. Yeah, hope you had fun. Thank you very much for the raid. Let me just do a proper shout out. I'm gonna shout out your other channel, okay, Cat? By the way, this is Dumb Fox Cat, but Cat Newman's her other channel, and I don't think I've actually shouted out her other channel before, so I'm gonna do it now. Wait. Oh my god, how many O's did you put, Cat? 3, okay. New. Almost got it. Ta-da! Oh my god, look at that! Look at the transparency of that avatar. That's amazing. Oh no, the cheese is coming. God damn it.
Cheese.
Oh man,
Ah.
lactose-filled dairy product.
Okay, there was a new sound on one of those. One of those was a new cheese sound. But yeah, thank you very much, Cat. It was fun. Got a back-to-back driver championship. Damn, nice. But yeah, Cat Noom is a channel with a lot of racing stuff, and Dumb Fox Cat is her actual, you know, very, very impressive art stream content. And, you know, other games, I guess. There was a fromage. Oh, wait. 1 second. 1 second. There's one more thing I have to do before I click play again. Are you ready? Wait, did all the cheese just fall off? Wow. There you go. That was a cheese for you, Belgian Wolf. Cat's great drawer indeed, yes. How old is this cheese? From age. Market tech, alright. A for effort. Okay, I think I'm gonna... Should we start a private one? I'm gonna fromage. What happens if I click play again? Is it gonna fill up super quickly? Oh god, that's super quick. Oh god. Okay, you know what? Let's shush, stop, shut up, repeating the sound over and over, please. Let's start a private one. Boop. I'm gonna drop a link. There you go, Muggatech. Get your ass in here if you want to still. What's this game? Okay, so basically you are shown I swear to God, whale. Your avatar. Okay, so basically, you're shown like a little challenge. You have like some text. My finger's not showing up. There it is. You're shown. You need to set an avatar. You don't have to. But yeah, you do. I'm just kidding. Okay, Cat. You're given like a little challenge of a thing that you need to do. Like a, you know, not, well, yeah, I guess challenge is the right word. Description, kinda. Maybe uke with a leash around your neck. Oh my god, if you get in side by side, it could look like... Yeah, if you just have a leash going off to the left, it could look like I'm holding a leash. That'd be pretty funny. Anyway, Cat, you have like... There are 3 different game modes. Sometimes you have to try to write code that does the challenge as quickly as possible. Sometimes you gotta write code that does it with as fewer characters as possible. And sometimes you're not even told what the hell you're supposed to do. It just shows you like some input example and an output example. And like a bunch of those pairs of input and output example. For example, it might say that if your program gets the text ABC, then your program should output DEF, for example. And it'll just show you like a bunch of different examples, and then you have to sort of try to work out what's happening and then make a program that actually does that. Sounds like brain goes poof activity for me. Yeah, it's sad that there isn't really an ability to choose difficulty levels, because there's a big range. Some of them are relatively easy, and some are just make me go, what is happening? I don't know what is happening. There were plenty of those on my last stream. But on the last stream I was doing it before. Sorry, last stream I was doing it after I'd been doing like working on Unity stuff. And my brain was actually fried, so yeah. My brain is fried egg since I started to code. Can't recommend. Well, I mean, you don't have to force yourself if you're not enjoying it, I swear. I just do it as a hobby. It would be like I dragged you into the clash, so yeah. Alright, I think I'll just wait until the timer reaches, I don't know, 1 minute 30? Or until we get an 8th person, maybe, I don't know. I started to code for competitions in high school. It was fun. It's fun to me. I don't think it's possible, but I can click launch Clash to begin it. But you mean like the timer that you're going against when you're actually coding, right? I haven't seen a setting for that. Oh god. It's pretty cool though, Stu, that that's how you started to code. And now look at you, you're going around on various people's Twitches, helping them out with all kinds of things. I was just thinking it's a good way to learn a new language. Ah, yeah, I guess. Yeah, it could be. Oh, I should probably show you that, yes. For anyone who's interested. One second. Here, you can choose to do it in whatever language you want out of all these. There's kind of a nice number. Okay. Go. Shortest mode. Okay, so I don't need to worry about wasting a lot of time at the beginning. Thinking it through. Rust is in there, yeah. D as well, for Zybite. Because Zybite loves the D. Display the following symbols with respect to the cardinal and ordinal directions. North, south, east, west. Northeast, southwest, northwest, southeast. A single... Okay, what? A single line consisting of a string. Okay, so you're going to be given text such as southeast! And you need to print out this symbol. In as small a code as possible, though. In as small a code as possible. I'm not going to be winning this one, I can tell you. Zybite loves a D. Wait. Is it actually a... Did I add the quote command? Can you do quote add? Apparently I did. Okay, whatever, I don't think it's going to be able to respond that quickly. Anyway, maybe I should try and do the thing that I'm being told to do. I have no idea in my head about how to shorten this. I mean, I guess N, S, E, and W are all unique. Northeast, but northwest as well. Okay, so first of all, I'm just looking at how to shorten the checks. You can check the very first letter, and you get N, S, E, or W. And if the string is longer than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters, then you just need to check the 6th one to tell whether it's east or west. Because you just look for E or W. Did it add? Or is Stream Elements being silly? Or can you not add it because you're not... Do you have to like make a list of people who are able to add it? I so know nothing about the Stream Elements, but alright. I don't know if C is the best language to be doing this in, but... whatever, at least it's not C#. I think a bunch of these can be deleted as well. Okay, so you get passed in a thing that is definitely 11 characters. Wait, them bytes. Charles, whatever. SOUTHEAST. Why 11? Okay, whatever. Just need a CDIO. Yeah, at the end I'll just try gradually shaving off things and seeing how if it still works. I was told you don't actually need int main. Is that true? Can you get rid of that and it still works? Okay, no, you do still need that. Does it have to have int main? I was told some things can be omitted. Okay, no, surely it doesn't exist in main then. Okay. Yeah, you do still need that. Someone took your nickname? No! Okay, I'm gonna... you don't need args, maybe? Yeah, there are no args. You can omit the int in front of the main. Oh, you can? Also, hi, Philip Link. Thank you very much for the info. Yeah, alright, it still runs. And you just printf the thing, right? Printf. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Can we the return too, I think. You actually can. Thank you, both of you. Okay, so those are the things you could remove. Okay. I'll calm down this music a bit. Okay, so one other thing I'm noticing is there are 4 of these, like it's just 4 dashes like that. I reckon we can use like a switch. Hell, mock attack, good, just hard code everything. No, top spring. And all the hash includes in this case. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, I'll just, you know, I'll sort those out at the end, I guess. So I'm gonna switch based on... Can I make this like way smaller? L, for example, instead of just line. Switch L. Wait. Sorry, L0 is the first one. I'm gonna check. So if it's case, I'll try and shorten this later. Case. It's gonna be shorter if I look up the ASCII code for E and W rather than put the literal character symbol. ASCII E is... Wait, oh, it's gonna be capitals, yeah. Is 69, nice. And West is 87. I really wish you could do like VB style this, but you can't. Wasn't there a way you could do like a range? Yeah, is that a range? Oh no, it's just minus. I swear there was a way to do a range. Oh, it was that, wasn't it? X! Oh my god! Why am I being dicked, cat? Now's not the time. Can't do that. Can't do that. Okay.
Fromage.
So if it's those two, then in fact, I'm just gonna write it in a readable way and then make it unreadable at the end. We're gonna print dash 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 dash. I can't think of an easy way to do this without then now having to wrap a damn print statement. If L0 well, for a start we can just say A equals L0. Oh, that's a char though. Is it gonna be faster then to do that? So then if A is... Am I matching the character directly? I am! 69. So if it's east, we put the thing at the end. Oh, I can't work out how to do this smaller. This is going to be printfs. Oh, you know what? Let's just redefine hash hash define printf. Or p to be printf, so we can just make it smaller. P that. But I can't think of a fast way to do this. Oh, then we can just do else. Oh no, wait. Oh, I can't think of a fast way to do this. There's clearly a fast way to do this. At this point, it'd just be faster to have this hard-coded, right? Because this is taking up way more space than this. Ah, this is so annoying.
Oh.
Man, I'm realizing that I'm really dislike the Code Golf ones. I can't think of a small way to do this. I'm just gonna have to hard-code it all. Can't think of a fast way to do this. Southeast has a backslash, northwest has a backslash. But here there's a space.
Jeez!
Yeah, I don't know a small way to do this. I'm gonna have to hard-code it all. That's annoying. Alright, so let's just do it from the beginning. North is 78. And that's just that. Well, that's P actually. Case. And we could also redefine C to be case. Have this way smaller. But N is 78. I don't think I'm gonna have time to do this, I'm gonna be honest. And then we have to do break afterwards, don't we? Wait, can't we just do redefine P X to be print F X semicolon break semicolon. Then we can just do P that, right? That should then work. Right? This is becoming increasingly cursed as I go along, but hey, that's the entire point of this challenge, right? 83 is south. P. That's gonna be vertical bar. New line. Asterisk. Wait, is this gonna cause a problem of compilation? Is the C in the char gonna be replaced here? Oh, you know what, let me just make it uppercase. All the cursed stuff is gonna be uppercase. Also, hi, Lubki! For east, we're gonna have... It's gonna... Ah, right, for north and south. These could be north, east, and south, northwest as well. Wait, couldn't you just make this all one really cursed inline if statement? So it's just like... C equals 78, question mark, this. Otherwise, C... Oh no, wait, sorry, I didn't mean that. I meant... Also, why am I looking at C? Oh my god, I'm so fucking confusing myself so much right now, you have no idea. I don't have time to finish this. I don't think I've ever managed to finish a shortest one, because I'm just overthinking so much and never getting the code out. X is 11, char, y equals x, 0. So we're switching on y. What am I even trying to do anymore? I don't remember. So if the case is north is 78, then P if we also have z equals x6 SOUTH something. P... It's gonna print if z is equal to 0, then it's gonna be this. Otherwise, if z is equal to E for east, E is 69, nice. Then we do... Then it's northeast, then it's space, star, backslash, slash. Otherwise it's northwest, so it's gonna be star, backslash, space, backslash. Okay, that's north, south is 83. So this is just gonna be vertical bar, new line, asterisk. If it's south east, then it's backslash, new line, space, star. Otherwise it's space slash new line asterisk. I've messed something up somewhere. Oh. I can't type lowercase. Otherwise, if it's east, we do... I'm gonna copy this code because it's about to get removed from me, I think. 69. Then... Oh my god. Can I just like continue for myself? I guess not. Let me just fire Visual Studio because I'm gonna continue this. That's not Visual Studio, that's Visual Studio Code. Oh my god, it takes so long. Okay. Oh my god, how long does it take to make a new project? Oh. And then E is 69. So we're gonna print... what would have been? I don't know what E was. Was the asterisk was at the left side, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah! Thank you very much for the follow! And then the rest is just gonna be like default. Was it default? P. Oh my god! Thank you very much for the follow! Giga Chad Shokri and Patolino? The pajama? And in the very end, we just... Well, that's everything done at that point, right? So... I don't understand. What is scanf? Like, how do I actually do this normally? I guess I'll just hardcode it. Missing type where? Okay, so you actually need to put int here, I guess. Oh, I need to... How do you use again? Is it system? Pause? Is that it? So I can actually see stuff. Okay, so northeast did indeed print up left direction. Oh, hang on a sec. Let me just... Ignore like all of this other stuff, right? Because this is just stuff I've had to add in to try and get it to work on Visual Studio. But normally, I guess I can do this as well. Wait, that's gonna put a break in there. We don't want a break. Okay, so northeast is indeed doing that. North is indeed doing that. Vertical bar. You know, let me just put some new lines, more new lines. Northwest. Wait. Ah, it's the wrong way around, isn't it? Northwest is... No, northeast and west are switched. I put these two the wrong way around by the look of it. Should have done it that way. Or I could have chosen the other character, not 69, whatever W was. W is 87. With the Japanese locale for Vienna. Yeah. Well, yes. Okay, so northwest is now to the top left. Northeast. It's funny, someone on the previous stream mentioned about the... Is that a weird font for the backslash? Like, it never really occurred to me. Like, I'm so used to it at this point that backslash shows up as there's actually a problem here. Northeast means upright, right? Oh, I think I did something wrong, question mark? So space star blah 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 means new line like that. So if it's 87 NO. Oh! I know what the problem is. I'm looking at 6, but when it should be 5. It's 0 indexed. Okay, northwest is top left. Northeast is top right. Just north is vertical.
Jeez.
Southeast, Ironland. Thank you for the pats, not for the cheese. Very high! Southeast, why is this not compiling? Is... put some asterisks there, I shouldn't have. Is... down and right. Southwest. Is down and left. Did I say down left before? I don't remember. South is down. West is... I'm trying to debug quicker than it realizes that it's finished. West is pointing right for some reason. That's the wrong way around. West, it's pointing left, and east is pointing right. Okay, so nice. But yeah, I couldn't do that in 15 minutes. And now to actually golfify it, I would just have done nonsense like this. It should still compile, because we got semicolons all over the place. Ignore all this crap, this is just added for C. Oh, sorry, for Visual Studio. And you should be able to shrink that. We could have got rid of that, we could have got rid of a bunch of these, probably. Alright, there you go. Still works. So the actual number of characters would have been... I don't know. We've got to define these. We've got to have these in here as well. Do you need IO stream? Oh, we do need IO stream, okay. So the actual code... Was IO stream already being done in there? Satchel! Hi, welcome! Okay, so the actual code would have been this in the end. I don't think include IO stream needs to be in there. I think that's already in there by default on Clash of Code. Yeah. We could have done this, and then I don't know how many characters this would have been. Let's find out. Oh, wait, where's the... Oh, there we are. 185 across there. So 185? Oh, it's actually 184. Plus 14. Plus 29. So it would have been 227 characters by the look of it. Oh, plus the line breaks. There, 229 characters, I guess? Alright, unfortunately though, it's too late. Not that anyone's still here to see my code, but I'll click share my code anyway. 782 characters! Nice. Okay, that's... I was about to say it's another language to me, and then I realized, wait, this is C. I'm not gonna try to understand this. But damn, Mogotech in 100 as well. Wow, and you got second place. Second place. For just a literal lookup array. Nice. Is that, so it's a dictionary, right? It's like a dictionary where the north is a key to that, south is a key to that. And you print that. Dictionary power, yeah. Here as well, just literal things. That's 698. Alright, so if I had managed to do it, it would have been third place, but I didn't. So it's not. Alright, fine. I wish you could change, yeah. I wish you could change the amount of time. Especially for the golf ones. The shortest ones. This post was made by C++ Game. Okay, that's done. I guess I'll keep my cursed things then. Yeah, there's no options. All languages and let's start. Those are the only options. Anyway, I'll slap a link here. In case anyone would like to join in. Look at all these nerds. I know. Especially with me, with getting 0%. But yeah, there's a new link. Oh, Mogotech! That's a cute cat. Also, cat, I can't believe you're still here. You're just watching me talk about the most, like, difficult to read code that's, like, just obnoxious by design because it needs to be small. I'm here and I'm not here. Okay. I feel like I missed a whole bunch of messages. Let's have a look. Oh, hi Varian, bye Varian, thank you for the look. So chill. You always need IO stream. Okay. Good to know. Could have removed about 10 more chars but ran out of time. That's off in the way. Not really proud of your solution. Hey Mucker! You actually submitted something that works, so... Have a single printf that selects a start position. And a length to print. How would you have a printf that selects a start position and a length to print though? Wouldn't that require more? Jesus! I've already had one of you on there. Wait, shit! I'm sorry! Wait, let me unban you. I'm unbanning, I swear! I'm sorry! There you go. You're unbanned. I'm sorry. You're welcome back. You're not banned anymore. I'm sorry, shit! I thought that was a bot at first. I'm sorry. You know what? I'm even gonna... Shit, I didn't mean to pin that. Fuck, I'm a terrible streamer! Help! Unpin. Shit, you know what? I'm resending your message. There you go. Now I can be on the screen. I'm sorry, we've just had some bots already. I thought that was another bot. I'm sorry. What do you do if a long-time subscriber sends you a diamond ring worth $500,000? Sell it? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm also gonna hydrate. Sheesh. Alright. If everybody's in, let's begin. 2% is being generous. Wait, what? I understand about 2% of everything that happens in your streams anyway. Schrodinger's cat! Nice, Stu. Wait, what? Look at all this. There's too much. There's too much. Let's begin.
Jeez.
Also, thank you very much for the follow. I can't believe you're following me after I just banned you. I'm so sorry. But thank you very much for the follow. B2J1. Alright. We haven't had this mode yet tonight. Reverse. Also, cat, just as long as you're like... As long as you feel comfy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry because I would like to be able to explain more about stuff as I'm doing it, but this particular game doesn't leave you much time. You don't have access to the same and you have to guess. Okay. So, given Lisa, Frank, Lucy, Anne, Helen, Fran. Alright, fuck using C for this. Team outputs Lisa, Anne, Frank, Helen, Lucy, Fran. Lisa, Anne. So could it be just you're just skipping 3 along? Lucy, Anne, and then you move into the next one. Frank plus 1, 2, 3 is Helen. And then Fran plus Fran, not Frank. Lisa, Anne? Ayo, wait, what? Is this someone? Wendell and Ruben. Okay, so it looks like you're just skipping 2 along. 3, Colette. Never mind, here comes the third one, and it's suddenly different. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, it's correct. That is that. 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 30 there. Okay, so this number tells you how far to skip before the next one. Now the question is, how many teams should there be? Well, this has made 3 teams. This has made 2 teams, and this has made 3 teams, and this has made 7 teams. Okay, so the number is just the number of teams as well as the number of things to skip. I'm sorry, Stu, I do not have time to read all that right now. I'm sorry. Okay. So last time I did this in here, I had to, you know, do this in Visual Studio Code because this wasn't the auto showing of things was not working, but it seems to be working right now. Alright. So all kids? Why have to be kids? Alright, fine, all kids equals console.readline. Number of teams is the next line, and do console.error.writeline. Oh, it's the debug, right. I'm sorry, I just can't. Okay, so we're gonna split, so let's call this string. Each kid is gonna be all kids.split. Sorry, this is a string array. Split based on that. And then let's say let's just build an output string. I'm not gonna bother to use a string builder, not that I ever would anyway because I'm a terrible human being. Let's call this out str. And we're gonna go into a loop for as many lines as this number is num of teams. I love the way that the code just tells you what this number is doing in the first place. Like the code is already telling you what this is. But I didn't even have to work that out for myself. But okay, for index of the team starts at 0, goes up until, oh my god, in team is less than num of teams, in team plus plus, out string plus equals. Oh, we're gonna need to go into a second loop for each person within the team. So this is gonna be end kid, fucking kid, equals 0, and wait, this is a number that we can't tell from the first place, can we? Oh, I guess it's just gonna be the number of kids. So int num kids is just each kid dot get length. Wait, I thought it was a... Wait, one. Thank you very much for the follow, Pedro! What's wrong with get length? Huh? Oh! Oh, is it not get length? Oh, it's just length. I swear to god, this messes me up every single time I'm trying to do things with arrays. When will I ever remember? Okay, so... Well, this is less than... Actually, let's say num kids per team. It's going to be way easier. It's simply going to be the number of kids divided by the number of teams. I assume... I really hope that there's always a number of people that's divisible by this number. We'll soon find out if there's not. So while the index of the kid is less than number of kids per team, we increment the kid. And we say... So out string is going to be... Oh, you know what? We might as well just print them one line at a time, huh? So we can define that there instead. This is going to be team plus the index of the team. And team dot toString. Do I even need to actually do dot toString, or can I just... Is it just implied? Okay, it's not implied apparently. Maybe it is. What's wrong with the semicolon? What's the problem here? Expected a semicolon. What? Oh. Whoops. Okay. So we're just going to do that plus a colon. And then add to this the name of this kid. Which is going to be this kid? No. Okay, we need to know where to start from in here, right? So Colette, Isaac, and Ozzy are 1, 2, and 3. So we start from the team index and we add the current index, but this should actually be going up in multiples of this, right? Because the same number here is what we're jumping up by. So it needs to be multiples of that. Int kids multiplied by that. If I'm not mistaken. Plus a comma and a space. And then we write out the string, but we don't want the last two characters, because the last two characters would be comma space. So dot substring starting at index 0 and ending at the length of the string minus... Actually, is this a length? Ah, it's a length, okay, so minus 2. Alright, let's see if this works. Let's see what happens. Wait, what? Oh, interesting, right. Can I split based on comma space? Okay, let's try that. What? Oh, right. Sorry, it's 0 based, right. Let's say that the team is actually this plus 1 Would that work if I do that? Like, as in, would this be interpreted as this entire thing becomes a string? Alright, that works. Do these all work? Ooh, number 3 doesn't work. Oh, okay, number 3 doesn't work. So I'm guessing that the number of people here is not evenly divisible, right? How many are there? Oh, God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 is... Well, 25 is indeed not divisible by 3. So... So what is actually being done? Let's have a look. They're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first person gets more, I guess. Okay, alright, so we can't do it that way. Okay, so they probably want to do it the way where you start at a thing and increase by this number. The one that I can't scroll to right now. So we're gonna have the kids start at the team index instead. And it's gonna continue until we reach the number of kids in total. Num-kids equals each kid the length. So we don't need to worry about this at all anymore. And we start there. Okay, would that work? Ooh, hold on a sec. Found nothing. Unhandled exception. Student to index out of range. Oof. Oof. Okay, what are you doing? The team, so this is like effectively what we're starting at, right? This is like the starting offset. And we take the person starting from that offset and up until we reach the total number of kids. Oh, whoops, sorry. This number now represents the absolute index. Right, let's try that again. Okay, that one works. Does 3 now work? Yes! Okay, let's see if the rest of them work, I guess. This is the part where I wish I could just click submit, right? But then you risk it not working. Well, I reckon it's working. Alright, nice. Oh, hey! She got 3rd place for once! Only out of 6 then, but whatever. Why am I being cheesed? Also, hi, malware guy. What is it printing? It's printing, this. Literally this. Also, hi, malware guy. I said hi already, but I'm saying it again. Thank you very much for the follow, Recursive Flab, sorry, Recursive Flab. That's a fun name. Alright, let's have a look at the code since I actually have an idea of what's happening. Ooh, oh, C++. Names.pushback? What is pushback? Names is a vector. Ah, I've still never used vectors. J plus equals teams in the same way there. So this is the actual team. Then we're starting from I there and adding the number of teams on. So that's basically what I was doing as well. Muckatek. Holy crap. Kids.for each kid index moves towards... I don't even know what this syntax is. I mean lambda I guess, but I still don't understand lambdas at all. Const number of teams is equal to the index of the kid modulo. Oh, the team number. Oh, I see. interesting. So you're like building an array.
Yes.
Yes, you're like building an array of teams, and you push each kid into the array. Or into that specific team. Array. You better react to my cheese throw. Why cheese? There you go. I reacted. There you go. That's interesting. But then I don't really understand what's going on there. But...
Casseri.
No.
Cheese.
Okay, fine.
Fromage.
Hey, there you go. Malagai. It's your new. It's a new sound. Might be slightly too small still. Might be slightly too quiet still. I might need to increase volume slightly. Exclamation mark, why cheers. Look, hi Omni as well, and hi Killer Whale. But look, this is no excuse. Me asking why there's cheese is no excuse to question more. Yeah, I'm sorry, Malagai. It needs to be kind of small-ish. I'm sorry. Okay, there's like one exception. Or maybe two, I don't know. I can't remember. But I really don't want it to be too many. Okay, I've got roughly time for one more clash if I begin it right now. But I would feel really bad interrupting these two. Okay. Oh my god. Wait. That's very kind of you. I'm sorry to make you suddenly submit something is not working. I'm sorry. Oh wait, never mind. Or was it the time that ran out? It's the time that ran out. Oh, okay, I feel less bad now. Whew. I was doing Scala. Is it pronounced Scala or Scala? I don't know. Vectors are just lists from C#. Oh, okay. I still don't know what pushback means though. And I'm doing alright. It's an insult to greet someone twice. Is it Malagai? I'm Malagai. There you go, I greeted you 3... No, wait! Yes, I greeted you 3 times, so it's no longer an insult, right? Right? Pushback is just add. Okay, that's such a weirdly backwards way of looking at it, but okay. I've got to think differently about lists. Okay, now I'm leaving. No, I did it 3 times. That's better, right? Better than 2 times. If I'm doing the reverse challenge on you being, you know, insulted by being thanked twice, then it just means that you just don't like being greeted twice. It just means you don't like being greeted an even number of times, right? So I greeted an odd number, so you should be happy. Okay, let's copy and paste. Oh yeah, hi Omni. And Tina, welcome. Hope you're all doing alright. Hope everyone's doing alright. Malakai as well. Just everybody. You as well, Kanami.
Formaggio.
If you said hello in reverse, ole, maybe it wouldn't have been so bad. Okay. Oh, I could have undone it that way. Interesting. What is this avatar for a cup of tea? I'm very curious. Oh, intrigued is the word. You need to push front or push back. Oh, right. It's like pushing onto the back of it. I thought it meant like push the other values backwards, like one index. That's what it sounded like in my head. My project? Wait, which project? I'm about to start a new project tomorrow, by the way. Spoilers. Okay, I'm gonna begin. I'm sorry. I've like very, very little time. I'm sorry. I'm gonna begin. I'm gonna give you like 10 seconds for anybody who's not in yet, although with stream delay, that's probably not gonna be too much. Formaggio, exactly. Okay, launch Clash. I'm doing it. Boop, 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 boop. Let's go. What is this? Fastest. God damn it. You are tasked to retrieve the missing character of a password. Retrieve the missing character. Password has always the following structure. Oh my god, it's a Sudoku-like thing, isn't it? A string alphanumeric characters. Okay, let's start. An underscore, a number that is the sum of the ASCII values of all the... Oh, so it's like recovering something from a checksum? A string of alphanumeric characters. An underscore. A number that is the sum of the ASCII values of all the characters of the first string. First string? First string? Okay, so something split with an okay, right, whatever. This is string handling. I'm gonna be using C# for this one. Sorry, C, my beloved. You do make it difficult to deal with strings. Oh, I will do that sometime, Malachi, don't worry. But no, right now I'm just playing Clash of Code, where I'm trying to do a thing in fastest mode. Well, fastest. Okay, so a string of alphanumeric characters, and then it has an underscore, and then a number that is the sum of the ASCII values of all the characters of the first string. The first string. Which, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the first string means the part before the underscore, by the look of it. It's written kind of badly. Sorry to say it, but... For example, the password this is valid, because the ASCII values of pass are 112, 97, 115, 115. And this, modulo 256, equals 183. Okay, I get what it's saying here. So basically what we're going to want to do is sum up everything. Oh no, you're going to do some on this side as well? Well, that's kind of easy if it's on that side, I guess. So basically, we want to look at all the characters before the underscore. If there are none or question mark, then we'll just calculate this thing at the end, a checksum basically. Otherwise, if there is a question mark in here, we don't add up that character. We just add up everything else. And then the answer, for in this case, for example, would be whatever we've added up to. Would it be whatever we've added up to? Would it be like plus 183 modulo 256? Or minus 183 modulo 256? Something like that. Let's find out. Let's just try it. That's my gut instinct right now. I've never actually tried to recover data from a checksum like that before, but it's clearly possible. Okay, let's try it. Let's say... by the way, I will be continuing that project, Malachi, but tomorrow I wasn't going to do it either. I was going to start yet another project of Uno. Console mode Uno. When I was a guest on Cat's anniversary stream on Saturday. Somehow the idea of an Uno game in the console came up. And now I just want to do it, because I just want to do fancy console stuff with colors and things. Okay, so let's call this the first string, let's just call this string parts. It's an array. And it's just going to be s.split based on the underscore. Ah, but we could also have a question mark. What a pain in the rectum this is. What the actual fuck? Okay. So we're going to look for the position of the underscore. Let's do it this way. Int incurse. Okay, let's do this. Underscore. So the position of the underscore is going to be s dot index of the underscore. If the position of the underscore is -1, which means it's not found, then, well, this is an easy way to fix the password, because... Ah! Thank you very much for the follows, pizza! The password is... that means if there is no underscore, then the question mark should be the underscore. So we simply write out the original string, dot replace the question mark with... Oh, it's fine, single character. With the underscore. And that should be the entire thing there. Otherwise, we need to do some rebuilding of characters. So let's split it into... based on the position of the underscore, I guess. I could be reusing this, but I can't be asked. Happy birthday, boss? Hey, it's not my birthday, but hi. Welcome. I'll pay proper attention to the chat soon, I'm sorry. I've got 9 minutes 25 seconds to do a thing that I'm still not entirely sure how to do. with very calming music. Okay, so you know what, let me just, okay, so if parts 0, let's call this thank you for the pat, Stewie. Let's say pause missing. 0 dot, so we're just gonna look, actually, you know what, let's see if the pause missing is in the second half first, the numeric part, because if it is, that's easy to recalculate. Parts 1 dot index of, so let's look for that question mark. Why am I not doing it that way? If pause underscore is larger than or equal to 0, then we have a question mark in this half, which is really nice. So let's recalculate the checksum. So let's call this, wait, it's modulo 256. Does C# let you wrap? Does it automatically wrap if you use uint underscore t, which you can't do? Can you have to say byte? Total. 4. Index of the character starting at 0. 298 slices. No! Okay, I know what you're talking about. That's the number of slices of cheese you can throw at me. While it's less than the first part of the string dot length in char plus plus total plus equals parts 0. Oh, sorry, parts. Yes, parts 0 in char. Does that work? Can you do it that way? Ah, it's a string, right? How do you get a specific character in a string? How do you get the value in ASCII in C#? I don't even know how you do that. ASCII value of a string. Encoding.ascii.getBytes, apparently, really? Sheesh. Like that? Okay, but int char is not working. Can I convert from uint to int? Wait, it needs to be an int to use it as a array lookup? Wait, why does... Why? Well, I'm not gonna be able to do this one, I'm realizing. Use of unassigned... Oh yeah, start at 0. Parts 0. Can I convert from char to char array? Huh?
Formaggio.
Oh, get bytes works on the entire string, and then you look up the value of the array. I see. So get bytes returns you an array with a thing for each thing. Okay. Alright, so then at the very end, console.writeLine, we write the first part, parts 0, plus underscore, plus this total converted to a string, which should just work like that. Okay, and the final condition is if the missing character is in the first half, then we need to reconstruct that one character. So what we're going to have to do is go through each character and make it a total, and we should probably do the get bytes outside here. Let's call this each byte equals that. Then we can just look at each byte like that. Actually, at this point we know that we need to do this no matter what, so we can do it once there. If each byte, let's just call it byte equals each byte integer. If this is not equal to 0, or no, it's not equal to question mark, right? Will that work? I think it would it? No, because a question mark is a double byte thing, isn't it? Let's just see if it works. It's not actually complaining, amazingly. So then we add byte. And at the very end, we can reconstruct what this missing character was. Because it's simply going to be whatever this number is. Oh no, whatever this total is minus this or something like that. Ah, can't quite get my head around it. Let's try it. Okay, so pass something. So something is the one where we've got missing underscore. Let's say missing underscore works. Okay. Something which has a missing character on the right hand side. Oh. No, it didn't actually. Wait, what? What? Okay. I thought something was gonna be all these tests are just... Oh, there we are, missing character in the second half. That's what I wanted. Okay, that works. So just this final reconstruction of the missing character in the first half is what we need to fix. So it's just going to be whatever parts 0 originally was, replace the question mark with... Alright, how do you convert a character? How do you convert a thing into a character? C# convert ASCII code to char. These things I've never had to do before. Convert.tochar? Wait, it's literally just called convert.tochar? System.convert.tochar? Convert system dot convert dot to char. Would that work? I wonder if this would work. So I'm guessing it's going to be the total minus. Thank you very much for the follow. Int. Let's call it byte check. Sum equals parts 1 dot. How do you interpret something as a value? I swear to God. Is it like int.parse or something, right? Bytes.parse. Is that how you do it? Parse. Parts 1. Is that how it works? Something like that, I swear. Found a question mark still. Why have you found a question mark still? Okay, I don't have time to do this. Why have you found a question mark still? I'll just copy this very quickly. No idea. No idea how Cup of Tea did that. And you get passed in the string of arguments. S equals console.rename, what? What are you looking at? What? happening here? Okay, hold on a second. Thing. String s equals. Well, I don't remember what the example thing was, but this is like really, really bad if you're actually trying to learn how to code, you know? It's just like, just whips everything away from you and there's no way you can ever see it again. Let's just randomly assign a number to it. I know what it was. But then there's no way I can tell if this is correct, is there? Wait, why is it complaining about this? Okay, no. Encoding does not exist. System.encoding? Okay, I guess encoding doesn't exist. What is encoding under? Convert? System.convert? String? Really? Not even string.encoding? System. The name encoding does not exist. System.text. Why is there no way to easily find out where it's missing from? I swear to God. Thank you, Mitch, for the follow. Namred! Practical website for this type of stuff is Code Wars. Code Wars? I'm gonna make a note. Code Wars. Website. Pelt her with cheese? No, pat me with hands. Why is it randomly showing all kinds of other errors related to things that I didn't even write and it never normally shows? Okay. Okay, so I can now say something like, fixed first half. And this would be fixed second half. Oh! I did that instead of this. This should have been that. Oh well. That's why it was never even getting to the part where it was trying to run this part of the code because I was checking the wrong... I was checking the wrong thing. I was checking the position of the underscore instead of the position of the question mark. In the second half. So if we fix the second half, it does that. And if we fix the underscore... So I'm just gonna try that. But yeah, hi Namrid, hi. I'll look at the chat soon. I'm just having to hurry. I'm sorry. It's gonna run a whole lot of unrelated stuff right now. Trying to find wherever the hell it was. Is it even calling it? Start. Fixed underscore, fixed second half, fixed first half. Am I blind? I don't see it being written anywhere. Or did I leave it disabled? Did I disable the object? No, I didn't disable the object.
Dot.
There it is. Hello, I am here and I am running. But then it does nothing. So if it's -1, it does this. Else, it does this. Or else, it does this. But apparently it never does this or this or this at all. Well, I have no idea what's going on, but I've got to stop because people are trying to sleep. And that's too late. Well, that was a stressful stream. I don't think I'm going to play this anymore. I'll check out how Code Wars though. But yeah, this website's kind of annoying that it doesn't let you actually, you know, learn. It just whips stuff away from you, and you're trying to actually get the code to work, and then it removes it, and you can't even test your code because you don't even have access to the test cases anymore. Wait, I probably should check other people's code, shouldn't I? I'll just share my amazing code with everyone as well. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. My brain cannot work. I'm sorry. This is way too much. I gotta end like 8 minutes ago. I should probably try and really quickly read the text, all of the stuff that I'm missing. Are you continuing we did last time? No. Sweet, you're actually gonna do the Una game? Yes, I am. Sounds very incursed. Yes, paint in the rectum. What? Oh, paint. Paint in the rectum. It's not my birthday, Speedster. It was C#. Had a cup of tea, do that in 3 minutes? No idea. You fucked up. Hey, me too, Mukatech. It was pretty tricky. Yep. Again, way too short time. I don't know why you can't just change the amount of time if it's a private room, right? Who's gonna get annoyed? Forgot to handle the missing underscore case. Ah, no worries. Practical website with this type of stuff of Code Wars. I'm gonna have a look. Really good site. Thank you very much. I hope you don't have to, like, give them your, you know, all of your personal data. In order to, like, signing up and stuff. Well, I mean, I signed up on Clash of Code anyway, so who really cares? But you can use a throwaway account on Clash of Code. Don't tell anyone. Shh, top secret. Oh god, did you see my finger break? Quick everyone, pelt her with sheets, and please no. Was the high numbered? This annoys me, underscore, thanks for stream. That was actually fun, was it? I'm glad you had fun. Did you join at the end? I'm afraid you did. Can find the problem by searching for it on codinggame.tools. Then you can test your code after the clash is over. But it won't actually... Does it show you the test cases? Because I don't remember what the test cases were for that one, you see. Well, I was never shown the test cases. You couldn't see, could you? I just showed you the output, not the input. Paint in the rectum. Thank you for the fads, cat. Did I feel like I missed... I was scrolling up, and I thought I saw a message from Happy somewhere. That was a message! Well, there wasn't a message, there was a pat. Thank you for the pats, Happy. I'm sorry that I only just saw it. I knew I saw your name somewhere in there. Better late than never, for me noticing, right? Looking good today. Thank you very much. Last time I saw you messing around with Game Maker, what happened to that project?
Formaggio.
It's just one of many things I've temporarily abandoned. I mean, I'll get back to it at some point. I just keep on starting new projects because, you know, ADHD brain gets bored and needs something new and shiny. I'm sorry. I'll get back to it at some point. Probably. But right now I'm going to pass you on to somebody who is doing more code. It's Fred, who was here earlier. Pew! Ta-da! New game project time. What could it be? Wait, this isn't the Game Jam game. This is something else? I don't know what this is. Okay, interesting. Interesting. But yes, I'm going to pass you on to Fred, who actually has a VTubing app called Beaverbox, but that's apparently nobody's working on right now. But yeah, thank you very much for coming. I'm gonna disappear now. I'm gonna do a proper actual scheduled stream tomorrow. At 4 PM UTC. It's a different time, but yeah, the schedule is on Twitter. If you'd like to actually see it, there it is. I just post the schedule there and occasionally an interesting behind the scenes thing. But yeah, that's gonna be all for now. I've been struggling to try to change my background music for like a long time. Okay, there we are. I can finally change it. Yeah, thanks for coming. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, 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 bye. No. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, Cat. Bye, Namrid. Bye, Dash. Bye, Makatek. Bye, Ami. Bye, Chris. Bye.